The Logitech G915 TKL keyboard offers a sleek and modern design with a brushed aluminum finish, making it a visually appealing addition to any gaming setup. Its wireless connectivity is robust and versatile, featuring LIGHTSPEED technology and Bluetooth options, ensuring seamless performance whether you are connected via 2.4 gigahertz or a USB-C wired mode. With GL tactile switches and a low-profile design, this keyboard provides a comfortable and responsive typing experience, enhancing your gaming precision and speed. The customizable RGB backlighting, with access to nearly 16.8 million colors, allows for personalized illumination, making your gaming experience more immersive. A standout feature is its impressive battery life, offering up to 42 hours of continuous playtime and quick recharging in just 4 hours. The ability to program up to 15 functions per key transforms this keyboard into a personalized command center, providing gamers with unparalleled control and efficiency.